Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that contains the Drive history you want to remove. Open Drive. Google. Com in a desktop browser so you see the full activity and file list. The mobile app hides some controls. Once done, confirm you can access account settings and My Activity from the Google menu. This is where Drive usage logs and activity entries live. Make sure syncing is paused if you plan to delete local traces, because changes can immediately reappear if sync runs. You now clear specific activity. Open a file and click the Details or Activity pane to reveal recent actions. Select an entry or use Shift/Control to choose multiple items, then remove them. This deletes visibility from the Activity pane. For broader records, go to Google My Activity, filter by Drive, then delete items by date range or product. Once done, check the Activity pane again to ensure entries are gone. This removes logged views and edits from Drive's local history display. Finish by clearing your browser cache and cookies, then sign out and sign back into Google to force a fresh sync of the Drive state. If you use Backup and Sync or Drive for desktop, pause or unlink the app until you confirm the history is cleared. Otherwise, Sync can recreate activity entries. If deleted items reappear, check other devices and active sessions and remove those entries too. One troubleshooting tip: revoke old device access in Google account settings to stop hidden relogging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.